this is Dave with Aqualife Ponds. What I want to talk to you about is pond lighting. Okay, so in the beginning of my pond building career, I didn't really like lighting because we had a lot of failures. I tried different products. I wasn't sticking with one particular brand of the type of filtration and lights and stuff like that we're putting in the ponds. And most lights failed, and plus they were the halogen lights. So you had to have a bigger transformer if you wanted a bunch of lights in there, and it was just a pain in the butt. Now the thing with lighting is it looks so cool at nighttime. My wife and I, every night, we hang out in a gazebo and waterside, and we see our fish swimming around, we see our turtles swimming around. We've got Flower and Stem, our two turtles. My daughter named them, and we love them, and we can actually see them. So if you have landscape lights and you think those are going to do the trick, they will not. It might illuminate the top few inches, but you can't see the wildlife. So LED, high quality LED underwater lighting is absolutely crucial in your water feature. It just looks so cool. I mean, you're missing out on a good portion of your pond, because let's face it, during the day you're working. You come home, you might have a little bit of time before it gets dark, and then it's dark and you don't have your pond at nighttime if you don't have lights. If you have lights, you have a nighttime pond too. So you kind of have two ponds. Anyway, the lights I like using, it's an Aquascape light. It's got a 5-year warranty on it. It's very high quality. So anything happen, you could have the light for 4 years, call us up, lights went out, they failed, we'll come replace it for free. So what else do I want to talk about lighting? Just that you absolutely have to have lighting in your water features. It doesn't have to be a pond, it could be the Pondless waterfall or fountains. Anything. It just, I can't say enough about lighting. I love underwater lighting on all water features. And also you get those really cool light refractions. So it's not just the pond or just the waterfall. It goes through the water and often will illuminate onto walls or fences. And you get those cool light refractions, and it'll shadow some plants. So you get those effects up around the perimeter of your water feature. If this is something you might be interested in, if you already have a water feature and you want to add lights, give us a call. We do landscape lighting too. All right, this is Dave with Aqualife Ponds. Enjoy life.